NVIDIA's new AI brain, the Jetson Orin Nano Super. Hey there, tech adventurers. Today, we're diving into something super cool, a brand new brain for robots and computers that can think and create like humans. Introducing the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super. Sounds fancy, right? But wait, let's start with this question. What is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of super smart computer that can make stuff. It can create new art, write stories, design things, and even help solve tricky problems. Think of it like a magical artist and inventor combined. Instead of just following instructions, it learns and uses its imagination to come up with new ideas. Cool, huh? Okay, so NVIDIA, a company famous for making powerful computer chips, has just launched the Jetson Orin Nano Super. And here's why this is big news. It's a super smart chip made especially for small robots, smart gadgets, and even classrooms. It's like giving tiny computers a brain upgrade so they can do generative AI stuff. Imagine this: robots that can help you with your homework, gadgets that can build things you design on your computer, and even AI friends that make up fun games on the spot. The Jetson Orin Nano Super makes all this possible, and it's super affordable. At just $249, this chip can do things only big, expensive computers could do before. This means more people can use it, like students, hobbyists, and small businesses. Think of it as opening up a treasure chest of creativity. So, what's going to change in our everyday lives? Well, a lot. Here are three cool examples. 1. Personalized gadgets. Smart devices will get smarter, like voice assistants that really understand what you need and help you plan your entire day. 2. Better learning. Imagine classrooms where robots help teach math or science by creating fun, interactive lessons just for you. 3. Creative fun. AI tools for making your own animations, music, or even designing your dream video game, all at home. The Jetson Orin Nano Super is small, powerful, and super efficient. It's like giving your gadgets a turbo boost for their brains. So, what do you think? Could this chip inspire the next big invention? Or maybe help you build your dream project? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tech adventures. See you next time.